Today we are going to discuss about review tab in Microsoft Excel, and in this we are going to discuss these are the topics, and it is a part of share and review a spreadsheet of information technology 402 class 10th. So we are going to discuss about review tab. In a review tab, if you go through the review tab, you will find that there are four groups. First is proofing, second is a language, third is a comments, and last is changes. So first we are going to talk about proofing. If we move to the proofing part, in a proofing group there are three: spelling, research and thesaurus, and these are also the part of the review tab, but they are not that much important. First one, if you go through the first one, spellings, it is used to correct the typo mistakes, spelling mistakes with the correct spelling that is provided in a dictionary of the office. So let us first discuss about the spelling. So I'm going to show you one example. Here is an example in Excel. In Excel I've already written all the correct and incorrect spellings. If you go through this, in the left side there is a incorrect spellings, and the right side I've already written the correct spellings. We just need to find out that the spelling is going to search the correct spelling or not. There is a spelling mistake in answer. Anger, welcome is correct. Well done. Now we will discuss this thing practically also. First I'm going to show you that how it is going to work. I've already done everything in a diagrams. First thing is we need to select the spelling option from the review tab. I've already shown that. You have to select the spelling. After selecting that option, automatically the box is going to display. This is the box, and here everything is going to be displayed. First spelling is incorrect spelling is going to be displayed, ANSASWER, and it will show you the correct spelling in the suggestion box, from where you can select the spellings. There is answer, asker, answers, all the things have been given. You have to select. I've written 1, 2, 3, 4 is also the buttons. One is ignore once, ignore all, add to dictionary, change all, autocorrect. First one is ignore once. It only go to, if you don't want to change the spelling, you can just click on the ignore once. It will automatically shift it to the next spelling, ANGR, that is anger. Ignore all, it will ignore all the spellings one time only. Again, if I'm going to run again that spelling, it will automatically start with the first one. Add to dictionary, if there is a spelling and that spelling is correct, but that software is not accepting that spelling, you can add to a dictionary. Automatically that spelling is going to be transferred. Next is third, change. Now if ASWER is wrong and you want this from the suggestion ANSWER, you just need to click change and it will change the spelling. Change all is going to work on the spelling that is going to be changed in whole sheet. This option is work more effectively if you're going to use in a MS Word. You write down the spelling, find and replace option you have already done. The same way it is going to work. Next, last one is autocorrect. Autocorrect is the option when you press the space bar, it automatically correct the spelling, and that is also been done from autocorrect. This can be discussed afterwards. First I'm going to discuss this option that spelling is going to work. So I'm going to show you practically also that how it is going to work. So let us move to the Excel. This is an Excel. Here is again answer, correct spelling is here. Anger, correct spelling is the right side. Welcome spelling is correct. Well done is wrong. So I put my cursor on the answer. Now go to the same option, that is review tab. Inside that there is an option called spelling. When I click, it will show me the window. This is the window. It's going to show me the window, one of the box, and the answer not in dictionary, that is a incorrect spelling, and the correct spelling is in a suggestion box. Now if I want to change that spelling, I just going to click on the change. It will show you the spelling is now been changed. Next spelling is anger. If I don't want, I can ignore. It will move to the last one, well done. Now if I need that, I just go down and find out the correct spelling, that is well done. Now again I'm going to click change and it will change, and if I press yes, spelling is completed. So well done is being changed, well done is changed, answer is changed, but anger is not changed. So if I need to change that spelling again, if I click again, it will automatically show me that again that box is going to be there. Now if I need to change that anger also, whatever spelling I'm going to select and I'm going to click on the change, it will change, and then press yes and it will change that also. Now next we talk about research and thesaurus. If we go to the thesaurus option, this option is used to find out the words similar to similar meaning. Means it will give you a similar meaning of a particular word. And in research, it allows us to look for the word or sentence through multiple references. Means there are many multiple references are given online. At the right side, when we are going to click the research option, it will give us the name, the noun, verb, whatever. Means different references going to be given by the research option. Now let us first discuss about the first option. So I am clicking again. If I need a different word in comparison to answer, so I'm going to select that, go to thesaurus and click on it, and automatically you will find on the right side a similar word is going to be there, and I'm going to select the particular word from there also. If I select some other word, anger, if I need to select anger, I need to write down here, or I copy and paste here, it will automatically display that also. If I need the same option, that answer, and click on the research option, the research option is going to be executed, and it will give us it will search a reference book, the variety of books. I can select that dictionary or whatever I needed. If I want to click it, it will give me it will search and provide me the meaning related to that, the noun, how it is, everything is going to be given, verb, all the things are going to be given in the. Let us now discuss use of comment in Excel. What is comment? Message about the cell. When we use the comment, there is a flag appears in the upper right corner of the cell, and when the mouse pointer is over that particular cell, the comment is going to be highlighted in a box. So there is a comments group as shown on the screen, and there are new comment, delete, previous, next, show hide comment, show all comment, showing. So we will discuss one by one what is the use of these all the options provided in the comments group. First we talk about that is new comment. A new comment, what is the use of new comment? It is used to place a comment inside a cell. Now how when we create a comment, I'm going to show you the diagram also, how it is going to work. I'm going to show you one example. There is one cell A1, and inside that there is a Excel is written, and when we click a new comment in that particular cell, there's a flag is going to appear at the top corner. So this shows that this is a cell with the comment. So let us now first create the comment. So I'm going to open a Excel. Here is an Excel sheet. There's a yellow boxes are there, so we're going to create the comment on these yellow boxes. First is r.no. I'm going to click the new comment. I'm going to show you the box also where the new comment is going to be shown. Again I'm going to show you again. This is the new box. So there is the comment. Now comment is created, but I am not writing down anything. So there is an option that is create comment. Now change to edit comment. Again the box is going to be open. Whatever you want to write down, you write it down there. Roll number. So this is the first comment. Now second is, this is a box. Again I'm going to select new comment. Now I'm going to write it down something. This is my second comment. Then I move to the total. Click here. Again I'm going to write it down something. Number third one. And again I'm 15. I'm going to select. I'm going to write it down something. So there are 4 comments are there. So I've created 4 comments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when I put my cursor on that particular box cell, that that comment is going to be display. Any of the cell in which the comment is going to be created like this. Now if you want to go to want to delete it, there's an option called delete. I'm going to show you the sheet also. Delete comment. This command allow you to delete the comment that you don't want to use. So if you want to delete, you select that and go to the delete option and delete. Click on the delete. The automatically that flag is going to be removed. It means there is no comment is now. Comment has been removed. Now if you want to move to next or previous, so there's an option on next, previous and next is given. So if I select the cell SST and I click on the next, so it will move to the next like this. And if I click on the previous, it will go backward like this. Second thing, when I move my cursor on that particular cell, the cell is going to highlight the comment. If I select that particular cell and I'm going to click on the show hide, it is also going to work in the same way. Hide and show. If you want to display all the comments, now click on the show all comment. All the comments are going to be displayed. And last option is show ink. This option works if you are using a touch screen. If you click on it, you can mark anything on it. You write it down by your cursor and it is also going to become a comment. Now let us discuss about changes group in a review tab. In this we are going to discuss about protect sheet, protect workbook, share workbook, protect and share workbook, allow user to edit ranges and track changes. First we discuss about protect sheet. What is the work of the protect sheet? When we want to prevent the modification or changes the sheet by others, we can protect the sheet by using protect sheet. Means if we are going to put a protect sheet on, no one is going to make any modification until and unless he or she is not going to write down the correct password. So how it is going to work, I'm going to show you. First I'm going to show you that diagram, that how the protect sheet is going to work. When you click on the protect sheet, it will ask you the password to unprotect, and when you put a password inside that, and there are many other things, allow all user the worksheet. These are the options. You can select and deselect all those options, whatever you want to provide to the user. And after that, when you press OK, that protect sheet is going to start working. So I'm going to show you in an Excel. This is my Excel sheet, and in this I'm going to show you two methods. First I'm going to protect whole sheet, then I'm going to show you the selective one. The first I'm going to want that whole sheet is going to be protected. There is the review tab. Inside that there is a protect sheet. When I click on it, I put the password like 1234 password. Again it will ask re-enter the password 1234, and I press the OK button. Now if I want to make any changes, if I press that and I want to delete this, it will not going to change. It will give cell or a chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet, so that I'm not going to make any changes. Now if you need to make the changes, unprotect. Now to unprotect, you will see that the now protect is going to show in the unprotect sheet. When I press, it will ask me the password. I put 1234. As I press that OK, now if I'm going to change to 55 to 65, it will change. So this is the way the protect sheet is going to work. Now if you want to, again you want to protect the sheet, but you want that the name field, this field is remain unprotected. Means you may, without even the password, you are going to make the changes. How it is going to be done? You have to go to the home tab, go to the format, click it. Inside that, the last you will find out lock. You just lock that cell, go back to the review again. Now protect the sheet, write down again same 1234. OK, then again 1234. OK. Now you make any changes except the name block. If I need to make Hindi as a 90, look. But now if I want to change the spelling, of Rahul, then just delete and write down something. It will be done. Why? Because I have made that cell unprotected. Means it has now not been logged. It is unlocked and all the cells have been logged. So this is going to be work. This is the way the protect and unprotect is going to work. Now you want to protect a whole workbook. So click on the second one, protect workbook. Same thing, write down 1 2 3 4. Again you have to write down 1 2 3 4. Now your whole workbook is worksheet, or not only a sheet, on the whole workbook is going to be protected. Now if you want to share it, means you can share with the other user. There is an option called share workbook, and you allow the changes when you click on the tick button and press the OK button. Now it has been shared. It has been shared with the others also, means you can share your workbook also. Protect and share workbook. This option is to share the workbook and protect the changes tracking with the password. Now protect and share workbook means we have already discussed protect sheet, protect workbook, share workbook. It is also the same thing, that protect and share workbook, but in this there is an option sharing with track changes. Means when we make a tick on it, this share your workbook and prevent change tracking from being removed. Means we will discuss about track changes afterward. It is the same thing, that if you want, you need to use the track changes. You can use the track change by pressing, and you can remove whatever changes have been done, and you can put the password also. It's an optional, but if you want, you can put the password also. Let us how it is going to work. I'm going to show you. This is your Excel sheet. You have to go to the protect and share workbook. When you click, it will ask you want to share it. Click it. If you want a password, okay. If you don't need to write down, but I'm going to write 1 2 3 4, and when I press again, it will ask me again 1 2 3 4. Now this workbook has been password protected, and it will ask to save this also. Now I'm going to save it. Now my file is being saved, and if I'm going to share this workbook, now it has been protected. And next thing is that whatever changes have been done by using this track changes, I can accept or reject it. We will discuss also that how it is going to work, how we can use that option. Let us now discuss the next option, allow user to edit ranges. I'm going to show you the option first. In Excel sheet, in a review tab, allow users to edit range. What I have done, make two different color boxes. Is a left side student Rohit. This is a range, means student Rohit is going to work in this range. I have written also range start from. So this is the range that we are going to use. In the same way, this is student Shiv, and this is the range of student Shiv. We're going to use these two ranges, and in these two ranges, what we are going to do, when we share this sheet, this Rohit is going to work in this range only, and the Shiv is going to work in this range. So we are going to make the ranges with the different passwords. How you are going to do that? First thing is, you need to go to the allow user to edit ranges. Click. I already done these two ranges, so I'm going to delete this. First, I'm going to create a new. Now in this range, I'm going to write down Rohit range. Now click here and select the range. So I select the range. The range is selected. Again, click the button. Now range password. You want to put the password also, or 1 2, the password for the Rohit range. Now press the OK. Again 1 2, and press the OK button. Now the first one is done. Now there is a option protect sheet. First I'm going to make a second one also. Again click on the new button. Now whose range is this? Shiv. Click again, same process. Select the range, the green boxes. Now the range has been selected. Now again 4 5 is the password. OK, 4 5. OK. Now option is protect sheet. So I put the password 1 2 3 4. Again I put 1 2 3 4. I press OK. Now it has been protected. Now if I want to write down in all those blank cells, white cells, as I press something, it will give me the alert that this sheet is already protected, you have to unprotect it. Now if this sheet has been shared with the Rohit, and Rohit knows the password is 12, so this is the range. Inside that, if the Rohit is want to work anyone, double click. As he double click, it will ask the password. You have to press what is the password, 12, and as you write OK, now that password is going to be working. Now you can write down whatever information you want. It is going to start working in this range only. So this is the way. Same process has been done with the Shiv also. If you want to put some, if this sheet has been shared, you can do the same thing in the same process. Double click, set the password 45 and click OK, and now the same process is going to be done. Now you can write down the numbers here also. Means this option is going to allow you to set the range password also. Let us discuss now track changes. To keep the track of changes made in the file by the different users, if it has been shared. Now how it is going to work, I'm going to show you. Before that, I'm going to show you that from where you're going to select the track changes. You have to go to the review tab, then to the changes group, and from there you can select the track changes. And when you reach to the track change, when you click, then the highlight changes you have to click. When you click on the highlight changes, one box is going to be displayed. That is called highlight changes box, and in that you have to click on the track changes while editing. This is the option, track changes while editing, you have to tick. After that, there is a highlight with changes. Now this is an option where by default the when is going to be selected, and it is where, when, who and where. When you're going to select to highlight only changes made at certain time period, it is according to the time. If you click on it, that button, you will find out there is a time, date is also be there that you can select. Who, review only changes made by a specific person or everyone. You can select the particular user also to whom you have shared the sheet. Where is specify the area of the worksheet, whole sheet or a particular range. That is going to work when you're going to select on the where. I'm going to show you that practically also, that how it is going to work. Let us go to the Excel. Now there is a sheet of Excel. There's a marks and everything is given. I'm sharing with the only one user and I'm using it. I'm going to show you that how the things are going to work. Now you go to the track change, select highlight changes. It will ask since I last saved. You can select that also, or you can change to all also. Make it all. Everyone but me, RC or other users names are going to be display here. Then I'm going to click on the OK. Next step is accepting or rejecting changes. It is also going to be found in the same group, changes, track changes, and select accept and reject. Whatever changes you have made, now when you click on the accept or reject, it's going to show you the option after selecting that select changes to accept or reject. Which changes not yet reviewed, means we have not viewed those, reviewed those are going to be shown. Now when we click on the OK button, it will show you like this box is going to display, and accept, reject, accept all, reject all the things are in detail is going to be displayed. And whatever the changes you made, it will be show you in the boxes with the color at the left side top corner. It will be practically, we are going to discuss that how it is going to work. Same sheet I'm going to take, mark sheet, and I'm going to make the changes. Now I want to change the marks of the English of Rahul to from 65 to 75. Now put the 75. You will see that there is a sign is going to be there, and it will be show that change in the cell. It is going to highlight like this. If I'm going to change the Mohit marks in science from 89 to 65, again the changes are going to be shown. Same way, if I'm going to change from maths 78 to 89, the changes are going to be shown like this. Left side top corner, the sign is going to. If there are many other users are also been sharing the same sheet, though, then the colors are going to be different for different users. Now we are going to start with the we want to accept or not, changes rejected or accepted. So we move to the track changes, click on accept and reject changes, click on the button that which changes were not yet reviewed, click on the OK button. It will show you the way. The first is going to be highlighted like this, 75. It will show the change in the F6 from 65 to 70 or accepted, so it will click. If you want that 89 to 65, if you don't want to change, make a reject, and if you want any changes in the next one, you click on the accept. So this is the way the changes are going to be done, and this is the method of track changes. So here is it is that how the track change is going to work.